Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to join cells. So for example, I will create border. You can sort cells and then I will click this option all borders. And if you want to join cells, you can select cells. Like here, I will select these two cells and then you can click these icons merge cells. So to be automatically joined. I will select again these cells and then you can click these icons to join. If you want to unjoin these cells, you can select and then you can click this icon unmerge. Can create again for the borders and I will select again in this point in the cells. You can click again unmerge to unjoin. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheets tutorial how to join cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.